So guys, this is the end result. It looks so good and it tastes so good. Different angles. Hi guys, welcome to our live. Today we are going to be making something yum yum. My flour, put in my sugar. 1 scoop of mayonnaise. Pinch of salt. Everything is perfect. Go ahead and put in milk. Evaporate the milk. One scoop of banana. Mix.
So you guys, this is how it looks like. It looks so bomb, and we just came from school, and yeah.
So guys, this is the final result of the donut. It is super delicious. Shana, do you want to take one of it and make? Are your hands clean?
Yes, my hands are clean.
Okay, you wash the body, right?
You guys, this tastes so good.
Thank you guys for watching.
Peace.
I hope you guys have an amazing day. God bless you all. Peace.